And on today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to make a creamy chorizo pasta. Rich, comforting, full of flavors, and with some few ingredients. Hi, my name is Michelle Emiliani, and on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a simple, delicious meal for those of you who doesn't know how to cook, are busy, or are just lazy. If you're trying to make your life easier in the kitchen, you are in the right place because cooking shouldn't feel overwhelming. It should feel like something you should actually enjoy. For this recipe, you will need pasta. In my case, I'm using rigatoni because it's what I have on hand. You can use whatever you have in your pantry. I have cherry tomatoes, chorizo already cut, cream cheese, and white onion. I'm using white onion. You can use red onion. Extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. First, cut the chorizo into slices. Next, cut the onions into longer slices instead of dicing them small. I feel like long onion slices cook down nicely and they give the dish a better texture. They also mix in better with the chorizo and add more flavor in every bite. And while this boils, we make the sauce. Now add the olive oil to the pan. Now it's time to add the chorizo on its own and let it cook by itself for a few minutes so it can release all its flavors and get nice and crispy. And I'm creating a nice base with the juices from the chorizo. Now I'm adding the onions in with the chorizo and let everything cook together for a few minutes. And as the onion softens, they'll start soaking up all the flavors from the chorizo and the oil in the pan. And at this point, the smell is honestly amazing. Now I go ahead and add the cherry tomatoes. As the tomatoes cook, they'll begin to soften and slowly release their juices into the pan. All those juices mix with the flavors from the chorizo and onion. It has so much flavor on its own that it does all the work for you. It reminds me of one of those meals you want to make, but you don't have all the time to be in the kitchen and cook for hours. So this is a very easy, simple recipe. Now I'm adding the sour cream. And this is going to make the sauce nice and creamy and bring everything together. As it mixes in, it softens the flavor from the chorizo and tomatoes, making the sauce smoother and richer. I'll stir it really well so it blends evenly and turns into a creamy sauce that coats everything in the pan. Look at how creamy it's turning now. I love how the cream cheese, it gives a slight tangy taste that balances all the flavors from the chorizo and the tomato. The water's boiling and I will add the pasta. I'm adding a bit of pasta water now, and this step is what really transforms the creamy base into a proper sauce. The starch from the pasta water helps loosen everything up and makes the sauce smoother and silkier. And as you combine everything, you'll see a change right away. It starts to cling better and coat everything evenly. Just make sure that when you add the pasta water, you go slowly and then you get into the right consistency. And this is what brings the whole dish together and makes the texture feel just right. Now I'm adding the pasta straight into the sauce. And I mix everything together so every piece gets fully coated in that creamy, flavorful sauce. If you like a bit of heat, you can add some cayenne pepper here to make it spicy. If not, you can just leave it as it is. It already has a really nice balance of flavors, and honestly the smell right now is amazing. Quick tip for this recipe, don't overcook the chorizo. You want it golden, flavorful, but not dry. That little bit of oil helps season the whole sauce. Time to plate the pasta. I just serve it up nice and hot the way I like it, making sure to get plenty of that creamy sauce on top. I honestly can't wait to try this. And I'm curious, where are you watching us from? And for the final touch, I add some fresh basil leaves on top. It gives a bit of freshness and also makes the dish look even better. Oh my god, look at that pasta! So creamy, colorful, and it's ready to eat. Let's try this pasta. Sorry, I have to try this again. And that's how you make this creamy chorizo pasta. 1 pound sauce, 1 portion, and lots of flavor. Perfect for busy days or lazy ones. And if you want to see the full recipe, it's on the description down below. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you on the next episode.